should also oppose it. Go.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Keniel Brad, and this is my partner, Brad Armstrong. And we're here today to state that we are in opposition to the thought that risk should be conceptualized in the matter of, in the voice of the public, or saying that engineers should use traditional methods and risk to conceptualize risk. Engineers are professionals that have been trained to quantify and accurately assess a situation, and it is generally accepted amongst the public and amongst society in general that people who assess that in terms of risk, it's assessed from the standpoint of someone who has more experience in regards to the situation. You wouldn't leave risk in the hands of someone who has no prior knowledge or experience in the area. And going on to give an example, in the industry, in a factory, you have material safety data sheets. From the public eye, a material safety data sheet, when read, will come off as immediately dangerous. Gorilla Glue, in comparison to some highly corrosive substance, almost looks exactly the same on a material safety data sheet. But in order to accurately contextualize that information, someone who has experience in the industry would need to look at that information and interpret it so that other people might be able to use it accurately. There's inherent risk in all things, but in order to accurately conceptualize and contextualize it, someone who has the experience in that area needs to take that information and accurately apply it to society.
And these engineers, like from a non-consequential standpoint, these engineers have used this system for their safety and risk analysis for many years. By changing it now, it would change a well-known structure that has been taught to students of engineering and professionals of engineering, and could potentially, if they do switch, put the profession's safety standards back many years. These engineers that have been around for years would have to relearn a new safety procedure, which would have to turn into informing the public about kind of assessing it the way that the public would want to see it, which would cause a learning curve for the already practicing engineers as well as the new students. Formal professional requirements like this current risk analysis system should not be messed with to adhere to the public rating system. These professionals have been trained to follow particular guidelines based on their profession, and allowing people outside of their profession to take over their guidelines, it could potentially obscure the new system due to the lack of professionalism.
Thank you.